Hey food lovers, short on time but still want a delicious and healthy breakfast. You are in the right place. In just 5 minutes, you can cook up magic in your kitchen. No stress, no mess, just fast, fun, and tasty breakfasts that will power your day. Let's dive into these easy 5-minute breakfast recipes. Do you wake up feeling hungry but have no time to cook? Don't worry, here are some quick and easy breakfast recipes you can make in just 5 minutes. These ideas are perfect for busy mornings. They are healthy, simple, and full of flavor. Number 1, peanut butter banana toast. This is a classic and super quick recipe. You need some ingredients: 1 slice of bread, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 1 banana. Toast the bread, spread the peanut butter on top, slice the banana and place the slices on the toast. That's it, you have a sweet filling breakfast in under 5 minutes. Number 2, yogurt with fruits and nuts. This is a light and healthy choice. Some ingredients now you need: 1 cup of yogurt, half cup of chopped fruits like apple, banana or berries, a few almonds or walnuts. Put the yogurt in a bowl, add the fruits and nuts, mix it all. You get protein, vitamins and energy in one bowl. Number 3, microwave egg mug. Fast, tasty and full of protein. Some ingredients you need: for example, 2 eggs, a pinch of salt and pepper, a spoon of chopped vegetables, optional. Crack the eggs into a mug, add salt, pepper and veggies if you like. Mix well. Microwave for 1 to 2 minutes. Your egg mug is ready to enjoy. Number 4, avocado toast, a trendy and healthy recipe. Some ingredients: 1 slice of whole wheat bread, half avocado, a pinch of salt and pepper. Toast the bread, mash the avocado and spread it on the toast. Add salt and pepper on top. If you want, add a boiled egg or tomato slices. Number 5, honey oats smoothie. Perfect for on the go mornings. Some ingredients you need: half cup of oats, 1 banana, a cup of milk or almond milk, a teaspoon of honey. Blend everything together until smooth. You can even add a few ice cubes. Pour into a glass and bottle and take it with you. Number 6, cheese sandwich. Simple and satisfying. Some ingredients: 2 slices of bread, 1 slice of cheese, butter or mayonnaise, optional. Put the cheese between the bread slices. Toast in a pan or sandwich maker for 2 to 3 minutes. It's hot, cheesy and tasty. Number 7, chia pudding. Prep the night before. This one needs just 5 minutes to prepare at night. Some ingredients: 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 cup milk, 1 teaspoon honey, a few fruits. Mix chia seeds, milk and honey in a jar. Keep it in the fridge overnight. In the morning, top it with fruits. Your breakfast is ready to eat. There are some tips for quick breakfasts. Keep fruits washed and ready in the fridge. Use whole grain bread for more fiber. Boil eggs at night before and store them. Use leftovers creatively. Breakfast doesn't need to take a lot of time. These 5-minute recipes are proof that you can eat well even when you are in a rush. Try a new one each day and find your favorite. Eat a healthy breakfast gives you energy and keeps you happy all morning. So tomorrow, skip the excuses and start your day with something delicious.